The last video I have explained how to execute the pattern star pattern. What if I need to give the size as the input n equals to some number such that it will give that many number of rows. I mean, if it is if the input is n equals to 5, then it will give this. And what if I give n equals to 3, then my output will be star space enter star space star space star space. So as if this is the input, then output should be like this. If my input is 5 and this is the output, so for this I have continuing this program. So for that I will simply write in using the scanner class also, import util dot import java dot util dot scanner semicolon. Now scanner sc equals to new scanner system dot in system dot. I will copy paste this string, control C, enter, control C, give size number, println semicolon. Now int size equals to sc dot next int semicolon. If I compile this, you can compile from here or else here. I will compile here. Now if you see here, no syntax error happened. If I going to execute this, if I give control K, I will compile, clear the output. For the clearing the output, you can use control K, void main, click OK, give the size number. It is asking me. So if I give 5 input, then it should print this stars 5. Done. Again, if I want to print it, if I give the size number, if I give 3, it should give this pattern 3. Enter. Done. Okay. So in this way you can do it. That's it. So in the next video, let's see how to do same thing with the buffer reader. And if you have any doubts, any questions, let me know. I will solve in the next video. Any pattern explanations, anything, you can ask me comments. I will reply. Thank you.